I'm Kanaya from Kanaya's Palace, where you can slay and don't care what they say, and this is my entrepreneur life. Hello, it's nice to meet ya. Hey, welcome to my page. Welcome to my page. Welcome to my page, my page, my. Wait. That's not right. Wait. That's right. Hey babes, it's Kanaya here, and as y'all know me, I'm a keep it G. And today's video is all about making our own business cards from home. So I'm finna tell y'all what y'all gonna be needing for you guys' homemade business cards, because y'all wanna be professional when y'all start your business. Me, I wanted to do everything hands-on. As far as packing, shipping, yes, I do that hands-on as well. I print my own shipping labels. So if you have an all-in-one printer, then when you start your business, then you good. You're gonna need a printer, blank business cards, and a computer. These are the business cards that I use. You can see the back. As you can see on the front of the package, it has the Avery.com/print thingy with the template number. So I'm finna show you guys how to do that right now. Okay, so I am so sorry, y'all. I had to literally go and pick up, because I'm very in love with that font. So I had to go literally pick up my business card and show y'all and see what, like I was talking about with the front, how it wasn't on a thing. So as y'all can see, I'm saving it now. So I give it a little goofy name, something that I could, come back to. An open PDF. So we are finally at what I like to call the front of our business card. To view it on here, you can see that's how it's made. Okay, so we're gonna get this paper inside of the printer and we're gonna be right back. Okay, so basically this is how the front of your cards is gonna look. This is how the front is gonna look. It does not take that long, you guys. This is how the front is gonna look. Okay, so this is how the front is gonna look. As y'all can see, it says front side right here. So yeah, I'm gonna print like 2 more, because I kind of move fast when I'm doing the breaking it down part, and I'm gonna show y'all that in a second. So I'm gonna print 2 more. So when you get through printing the all the front, like me, I print all the front of mine first, and then I print all the back. So when you get through printing the front of yours, you're gonna put them back in, but you're gonna basically put them in like this. So this is gonna be upside down when you put it inside your printer. The front of your card should be upside down. Period. Even when you put it doing the front, it still has to be upside down. So when you're doing it on the front, it's gonna be like this, and then when you're doing it like this, like from the back, it's gonna be like this. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. But so I have 2 more printing right now, and I'm gonna go print the back for you guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the back of our business cards, as y'all can see. So I'm gonna get like 2 more printed out. So I have the front and the back. Okay, so I have the front and the front and the back printed out for you guys. It can get a little confusing. I did the back upside down 1 time, so y'all have to be careful. So basically, when you get the paper, you got the little sides right there. Once you get through printing the front and the back to your satisfaction. Okay, so I just basically made 20 cards for you, actually 40, because I have 2 more. I made 40 cards for you guys today, and I just want to show you guys, how the back look first. This is the first pic. That's the first picture I had showed you guys, and this is the front, the one we had like a long time trying to edit and look for. So yeah, because I really enjoyed the picture of the bricks, and I really like the picture of the bricks, because once I seen the picture of the bricks, like I can picture like 10 designs with different fonts and different things on the front of the card. I have to put this out, with different fonts and different things on the front of the card. So I love them, and I love how they look. They have a little blue on them. They're blue and pink. So I'm happy with my cards, and I just hope y'all be happy with the cards that you guys made as well. So what I need you to do before you leave this video, I need you to like, comment, and I need you to subscribe right now to this channel, and click the link in the description below, right here below, to view my website. And I want to thank y'all. Thank you for watching this video. Ta-ta.